I'm here in the laser turret building, so this is kind of where we start all of our operations. We have our fiber laser, which is our newest laser, that runs about 50% of our cut items. We also have a shear and a turret, which we will shear down the blank size, and the turret will punch the holes. And then we also have a Whitney, which is our plasma punch combo that does more of our heavy materials. And then beyond that, we have our assembly area and our post-assembly, which is for one product for one customer, and all type of assembly. So that's kind of what we do here. In this building here, this is our A building, which we call it the laser brake press area. So we have 7 brake presses, 1 folder, and then we have our older lasers over here that we've had for many years. They are old workhorses, and then we have 1 standalone laser. We also have our quality department, and then we are getting ready to get the fiber welder going that we have over in the corners. Also in this building, we have the supervisor's office, the office where all the engineers, the executives, purchasing, shipping all sit is right through the door. Over here we are in our C building, which is the weld building. We do all of our welding over here. We also have a cell that is built for one of our highest run products with a brake press, a robot. We do have another robot, 11 MIG welders, 2 TIG welders, a grind booth, and we also do some debluing, which is taking the color from the welds. Our shipping and receiving at this building is over here, as well as the entrance.